Welcome back. Nature takes a call, if not the authorities. The controversial Colva Creek has been buried with sand due to sudden surge in the high tide. Even after relentless efforts by the social activist, the authorities had turned a blind eye to the establishments releasing sewage into the creek, which was then entering the sea. The High Court too had taken cognizance of this menace. Now the nature has finally acted upon. Watch report.
The Colva Creek has vanished, totally covered with the sand. Nature has proved its might. The long unsolved issue of pollution of this creek with the sewage, which was unattended by the state authorities, has been buried. With a depression in the sea and sudden surge in the tidal waves across the coastline, a couple of days back, sand has covered the creek, leaving no mark of its existence. Have a look.
ये आता अकस्मात उदो इतलो रफ जालो दर्या तो ही रेंव आहा ती सगळी उच पडली आनी एश कोन हांवें केन्ना पळोवन आमगे लायफान म्हणजे एश कोन अकस्मात रेंव हितून उच पडली.
Now have a look at the cleaned Colva beach. The creek has been totally covered with sand. There is no sign of the creek on the beach. Due to surge in the high tide, the sand has washed off the beach. Social activists are astonished by the nature's act.
This is the first time ever that we have seen that the sand has come, the sea has thrown up the sand right on up to the first bridge. And you can just walk down from the children's play area, which was always submerged with water. All the ministers who are connected with the beaches and the sea to kindly request the scientists to look at this and tell us what exactly is happening.
The Colva Creek matter had reached the High Court in 2011 following complaints by Colva Civic and Consumer Forum. After the cognizance from the High Court and its directions, State Pollution Control Board authorities pulled up their sleeves and ordered closure of erring hotels till they put their sewage system in place. Now, nature has silenced and settled the issue once and for all. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Argentina, France and Switzerland all won their respective matches on Sunday night at the FIFA World Cup Brazil. Argentina defeated Bosnia 2-1, France blanked Honduras 3-0, while Switzerland got the better of Ecuador by 2-1. Lionel Messi scored one goal and made another in a man-of-the-match performance for Argentina at the Maracana Stadium. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.